Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we learned about how to install Python on our PCs, and we also learned about how to install Anaconda. As these both two things are very important while you are working on a Python project. So as we have both of these tools, now today we will learn about how to create an environment in our Anaconda. First, I will tell you why environment creation is important. Students, environment creation and making environment for your projects is very important because if you don't have any environment, then you can't work on any project. Let me show you in my Anaconda navigator. Here you can see environment. So this is a base environment and this is an environment which I have created. So I can also delete this environment from Anaconda, but this base environment comes with the installation of Anaconda. So why do we need an environment which we create? Why can't we work on this base environment? We can work on it, but the problem is that if your project is disturbed with some errors or if you lost the environment in some cases, so if any error occurs or any kind of destruction occurs in one of your project, then it will affect all your other projects as well. So to avoid such kind of circumstances, you will need to have separate environments installed on your Anaconda for your every project. This means that if you are doing work on a new project, you need to have installed or create new environment for your new project. And for every project, you need to keep separate environments. This will avoid such kinds of damages and losses of your projects and work. So let's begin with the creation of a new environment from scratch. I will show you how to create environment in very easy steps, and by following those steps you will be able to create a strong environment and you will be able to work in a very effective way in such environments. Okay, students. So for the first step is to you can open your Anaconda navigator, and from here you can open the Anaconda CM prompt. So we can simply click on this launch button to open the command prompt for Anaconda. As you can see, the command prompt is here, and in this command prompt we can install and we can create a new environment. Another way to open the Anaconda prompt is to write in the search bar of your computer Anaconda. So as you can see here, the Anaconda prompt is already installed with your installation of Anaconda navigator. So you can also click on this and the prompt will be open. Both of these things are the same. If you want to open from the Anaconda navigator, you can simply first click the install button. It will be shown like this, and when the installation is completed, then a launch button will be shown and you will click on that launch button and the Anaconda prompt will be open for you. Okay, and you can also open it from the search bar of your computer. Right, so let's begin with the process of environment creation. So the you will write a simply one line code for the creation of a new environment, which is conda space create and then space and double dash name and then space and then write the name which you want to give to your environment. For example, I am giving a name project 1, and then I will click enter. So this is like I am creating environment with the name of project 1. That's why I have given the name project 1. Now as you can see here, they are asking you to proceed y and yeah, yes and no. So as we want to proceed, so we will enter y and then click the enter button. So as you can see, the installation is completed and environment with the name of project 1 has been created. But now as you can see, still the base environment is shown. So if we want that instead of this base environment, the project 1 environment is shown, so we will activate our environment of project 1. So simply we can copy the command which they have given to us to activate this environment, use this code. So I have simply copied that code, conda activate project 1, and enter. So as you can see now, instead of this base, we can see that our project 1 is now activated. Now if so, as we have installed the environment from our Anaconda prompt, now we will check if the environment has successfully been created or not in our Anaconda navigator, and if it is shown here or not for our working. So we will click on this environments button, and yeah, as you can see here, a new environment with the name of project 1 is successfully created. Now if you click on it, you can see the libraries are not installed. So now our next step is to install all the important libraries for our